The Right Way to Sneeze. Written by Curtis Norris. Illustrated by Willy Wonka.
Achoo!
A loud sneeze made V turn her head.
Who was that?
She wondered. Turned out it was Ming, V's classmate.
Ming. Face mask. V. Ming. V. Face mask. Stairs. Stairs.
V came over to her classmate and asked,
Ming, why didn't you cover your mouth when sneezing?
Oops, I forgot. Next time I'll remember to use my hands.
Ming answered, shyly smiling. V shook her head.
No, using hands is not right.
Ming. Ming. V. V. Face mask. Face mask.
Ming's face was full of questions. V gently explained.
If you do that, the bacteria will cling to your palms and will transfer to the objects you touch. It's the easiest way to spread out the virus.
Virus. Virus. Table. Table. Ming. Ming.
V continued.
You should use a tissue to cover your mouth when coughing or sneezing. Then throw it into the bin and wash your hands. But if you don't have a tissue, you can cover your mouth with your elbow. Cough and sneeze. Elbow, please.
Elbow. V. V. Elbow. Tissue. V. V. Tissue.
Finally, when coughing or sneezing in a crowded place, we should take a few steps back and sneeze downward to avoid sneezing at someone's face.
V said.
Boy. Boy. Girl. Girl. Face mask. Face mask. V. V.
Ming nodded.
Thank you, Vi. I'll remember to cough and sneeze properly to protect myself and everyone.
V. V. Ming.